This is your ultimate summer fragrance. I am going out today and this is what I'm going to wear. And before anything else, let's do perfume review. Shoutout muna sa Hakovani for my very beautiful earrings. Hello, Ate Shai! So, balik tayo sa perfume review. So, if you're looking for something fresh, clean, crisp, and floral, no, with mix of floral, so this is a great choice for you. This is the Versace Yellow Diamond 50 ml. I only saw a few contents talking about these perfumes kasi naman maiintindihan mo, ang dami na rin nagsusuputan na sikat at talagang performing talaga ng mga pabango. Say, for example, the YSL Libre, Diptyque, no? Jo Malone, Burberry Goddess, and the like, no? Pero back in the days, isa to sa mga talagang sikat. Kasamahan nito yung mga Versace Absolute, Bright Crystal, Versace Crystal Noir. But among the four of them, kasama ito, this is the one that I like the most because masyado na rin floral for me yung Bright Crystal and heavy na rin yung Absolute. If you're curious kung ano mga top notes, base note, middle notes nito, I'm gonna put the notes here for your reference. This is really best to wear during summer or in hot countries or hot places because talagang hindi nakakahilo yung amoy niya and talagang tropical or super fresh and light. And as for longevity, okay naman din ang performance niya. Sa body chemistry ko, talagang hiyang ako, talagang tumatagal siya. Pero hindi same with like 5 hours and more, no? Hindi. Siguro max na ang 5 hours niya. But it's still okay. So if you're looking for a feel-good and refreshing scent, I highly suggest you buy this one, the Versace Yellow Diamond. So yun lang. Aalis na ako. Bye!